Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see Spotify Wrapped 2025. Let's get started. As you can see, I'm inside the Spotify app, and Spotify Wrapped 2025 has already been released. However, if you can't see it on your app, the very first thing you need to do is go to the App Store or Play Store and update your Spotify app. Make sure it's fully up to date. Once the app is updated, open a web browser on your phone. Go to the search bar and search for Spotify Wrapped 2025. After that, scroll down a bit and click on any of the available links. This will take you directly to your Spotify Wrapped page. As you can see, it opens your Wrapped experience. I've already played mine, and here it is. Now you can swipe through and check all your stats, like your top songs, artists, and listening habits. This year's Wrapped looks really cool and has a lot of details. At the end, you can tap on Get Your Report, and Spotify will generate your full Wrapped summary. You can also tap Share to share it with your friends or on social media. That's pretty much it. That's how you can see Spotify Wrapped 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.